All right, so the first one from our friend Huzaifa, who's very active all the time. We appreciate you, man. He says, if not in the mastermind and we want to use your white label service, where to buy it, and does it do all the work like making changes in the CMS and building entity assets, links, citations, etc.? How does the process work? Yeah, well, we have off-page services. We don't do on-page optimization for self-hosted sites because there's a lot of reasons why I don't want to do it. Specifically, as a white label provider, it becomes very messy to get login details for your client's assets. And not only that, but once we have login details to your client's assets, if anything were to go wrong with any of those assets that we had access to, guess who could potentially be blamed, right? Even if we had nothing to do with it. And trust me, ask me how I know. So I've learned a long time ago. That's part of the reason why even we do have some on-page optimization or more full service white label SEO services. That's under our Semantic SEO brand instead of the Semantic Links brand. Semantic Links is an off-page white label agency. So we do branded entity assets, which are extensions of the brand, where we'll go out and create new assets for the client. We don't want access to any of your existing assets, and we're not going to ask for it, nor will we. I get questions all the time from my audits from people saying, "Hey, can I just pay you to do the on-page changes?" And I absolutely unequivocally say no every single time. I won't do it. I refuse to do it. I will give you guys full instructions through full SEO audits, etc., with recommendations and very specific instructions on what to do, like page structure recommendations, titles, headings, subheadings, internal linking, all of that. I give very specific instructions that then either you or the webmaster can execute. We aren't going to do it. Full stop. Now, we do have the more full service, full SEO white label services under Semantic SEO, but those are Google Business SEO services that include all the link building services from Semantic Links. So in other words, in Semantic Links, we have three, and Semantic SEO, we have three kind of subscription plans, which is how most agencies and SEOs engage with us, is through our subscription plans where it's fully managed, done for you services by my team and I. The alternative option is ordering one-off services, but that's more up to you to self-manage. Okay. If you want my team and I to manage all of the SEO services, then it really should be under subscriptions. And there's three levels. We have low to medium competition, high competition, and extreme competition. Okay. And it's the same competition level packages or plans in both Semantic Links and Semantic SEO. Semantic Links is purely the link building and off-page services. Semantic SEO, man, the wind is blowing like something terrible, man. That must be what's blowing that storm in here. Semantic SEO, it's Google Business SEO services. So on-page SEO services for the Google Business profile, plus all of the Semantic Links subscription services at the same level. So in other words, if you get the low to medium competition subscription level for Semantic SEO, we do Google Business SEO optimization. So Google Business profile optimization, on-page plus ongoing monthly services, which includes publishing content. So basically authority content for the brand. But we do it on external blogs. We do it on some of the branded assets that we build as part of the Semantic Links subscription that is included in the Semantic SEO subscription. Does that make sense? So in other words, the Semantic SEO plans include the respective Semantic Links link building subscriptions along with them, because the only difference is we add on Google Business SEO optimization services, ongoing services such as posting, citations. We do monthly citations, and we do Yext Power listings initially, but then we also do monthly additional citations through a few different one-off service providers that we use. Marketer Center is one of them, the hyper-local citations. That's one of the things that we do. We also publish authority content. Depending on which level, low to medium competition subscription is 1 post per month. For high competition, it's 1 authority blog post per month and 1 weekly Google Business post. The high competition subscription is 2 weekly Google Business posts and 2 authority blog posts per month. And the extreme competition is 3 weekly posts, so every other day for the Google Business posts, and then 3 authority articles, which are published on external blogs. For external blogs, we use things like the Google site, Blogger, Weebly, WordPress, Tumblr, those types of branded blogs that are extensions of that particular branded location, right? So hopefully you understand. But so where do you order them? Well, very simply, go to semanticlinks.io. If you want to see what I do at semanticlinks.io, you can click log in at the top of the sales page. This is just a sales funnel, guys. I don't care if you spend any time there or not. If you just want to see what's available, just go to semanticlinks.io, click log in. It's going to take you here. Click sign up, register for a free account, and then sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be able to see the products and services, place orders. You'll see the pricing, everything else. If you have any questions about it, once you're logged in, there's a support 15-minute support call option at the very bottom of the left-hand side navigation menu. Just scroll all the way to the bottom in the support call under the support section, and you'll see 15-minute support call. Schedule a 15-minute call with me if you have questions. I'm happy to answer questions about our services or something, and get on call if I'm happy to do so. Okay. For Semantic SEO, it's semanticseo.pro. You do the same thing there. Click, I don't know if the login is there, and if it's not, you just click, I don't see the login here. We should probably have a login button on this site, Adam. I don't know if you can make a note of that. Believe the front end facing site on this is a WordPress. But anyways, it's going to be the same login format as this one. So semantic link, it's dash as in dashboard, DASH. So as in dashboard. So dash.semanticseo.pro, right? If you just go to that, you can do the exact same thing. Create a register for a free account. Once you register, log in, and then you can see the pricing on the left-hand side, and you can follow up in the support ticket system or with any questions that you have. Okay. Hopefully that's clear. Just order directly through our platforms. It's the best way to do it. You get the best discounts. I also have, I'm on Vetted as well, just so you know, in case you wanted to order links from that. That's this service here. There's my ugly mug right there at the top. And you can order services from here. Just understand that the pricing is slightly higher on Vetted than it is on direct from me, because I have to pay a fee to be on this platform. Okay, so just to be clear, this is another place that you can buy one-off services, but I do not offer subscription services in Vetted. Good question. Thanks, Uzaifa. I appreciate that one.